The markets fell for the fourth straight session on the back of profit booking today. Now, but for the week, benchmark indices fell over 1.5%. And for our detailed market check, we have with us Aisha Faridi joining us from the newsroom. Aisha?
Well, disappointing week considering we started off with a gap up on Monday post the assembly poll election outcome, and there we were, a 64.15 take, a lifetime high, and then that rally clearly got sold into. So we've pretty much undone where we were pre-assembly polls. So there we are with the tick downwards of about almost 1.5%. It's almost been a 200-point fall from the top at 64.15. So we're now standing at sub 6200 mark. That's where we closed in today's trading session. At the fore of the entire move this week has been the entire banking pack, which has really led the market move both on the upside as well as the downside. On a net basis, though, we've managed to lose about almost 2.5% for the bank nifty, and that's pretty much been the case across the board. The cuts coming in, or rather the profit booking coming in, and some of these sectoral indices has been pretty vicious. You've got cap goods, which knocked about almost 4.5%, auto lost 2%, metals down 1%, power, which came in pretty strong into this week, that as well lost fizz, so it's down about 5% for the BSE Power Index. FMCG is the only one which is marginally held out, as has been the case with IT. So predictably then, the gainers this week, defensives came back to the fore. Unilever, ITC, HDFC Bank, even though the last couple of trading sessions have been tumultuous for the name, but on a net basis this managed to gain. Lupin, Sesa Sterlite, Wipro, HCL and Infi as well have been the gainers. On the downside, you've had BHEL, SPL, NTPC, JP Associates, IndusInd Bank, SBI, BPCL, PNB, as well as Tata Motors, which were the laggards. Not just the equities, but currency as well. On Monday, we actually went above that 61 to the greenback level. 60.82 thereabouts was the highest point for the currency, and that too has retraced back all the way to 62 levels.